How do I know when you're not doing a course? Because you're up here or working with your child on the floor. It's not a good or a bad thing, guys. You're not going to get the movement. When I'm in this mode, I can't weight transfer. I can't work with transitional movements, and I certainly can't work with rotation. I've locked myself up. So when you're working with your child, first of all, the direction of your touch, it's just too forceful. Or you're up and over them, and they have nowhere to go. And so a baby is not struggling with rolling over. They don't know how to do it. Right? So when you're working with your child and you're working on rolling over, first of all, your touch has to get into their system, meaning you have to give them a moment to adjust. Now I get it, guys, you're just doing films and I'm just critiquing them, so I don't mean to give you a hard time, but I only have 5 minutes, so I need to tell you how to do it, so excuse me if I'm being abrupt. When your child and you're working with them in such a way that they get to a point where they go, whoa, I'm going to fall down. I'm going to face plant. I don't want to do that. So when you're trying to push, and you're going, come on. Okay, what are your big warning signs? First of all, that you're putting too much force into it. Second of all, you're putting them into a fall ratio. Now, first of all, a baby should know what a fall is at rolling over stage. Rolling over should have happened at 2.5 to 3 months. This is why it happens so early. So the fall is not in them. Yes, they start learning about fall around 5 months, 6 months, but now your daughter's already quite behind on the milestones, right? So you're at the halfway point. It should be independent sitting, and don't try it because she's not ready for it. Because another big warning sign where she's not getting the rolling over, the head wants to stay down. No child rolls over with their head down. They roll over like this. They go to reach for something because in this position, then they're on their bellies and it works for them. In this position, I face plant. Or that's when you say, come on, get your arm out. No, they didn't roll over right and now they're stuck. And so here, then they start doing the butt. And that's also too where you tell me, again, another warning sign, my baby can roll from their back to their belly, not from their belly to their back, because they're not rolling properly, and that's why you're looking at it as parts. And so again, so you're seeing this, a baby's here, they'll use a lot of head work to pull themselves over. Again, it's a fall, and that's where you know your child's in trouble. The rolling over course is there, but honestly, I think she needs a better tummy time because she didn't establish the right movements first. The tummy time wasn't great, and now the rolling over is not great at all, or it's just not happening. You think because you've helped her that the rolling is happening. When you're not there, if anything, she's just back arching and trying to get that way. I would like to see a couple of more videos to make sure the back arching isn't something possibly medical, reflux, laryngomalacia. There's other things that can happen where a baby wants to hold their head back. Those are your complications. The Fast Start program would be great because then you can go back and do the tummy time and you can go get right into the rolling over and start getting her on track. Please don't jump up to independent sitting yet because you have to do the grabbing your feet because those things did not happen for her in her development, and that's where you need to work.